देश के पूर्व चीफ ऑफ डिफेंस स्टाफ जनरल अनिल चौहान का बड़ा बयान सामने आया है। उन्होंने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के दौरान भारत की ओर से पाकिस्तान के सरगोदा में किराना हिल्स पर हमला किए जाने के दावों पर बड़ा खुलासा किया है। अनिल चौहान के मुताबिक भारत ने किराना हिल्स या वहां मौजूद किसी परमाणु ठिकाने को निशाना बनाकर कोई हमला नहीं किया था। उन्होंने बताया कि निशाने की तलाश में भेजा गया भारत का लोइटरिंग म्यूनिशन यानी कि ड्रोन शायद अपना टारगेट न मिलने के बाद किराना हिल्स की पहाड़ियों से जा टकरा गया होगा।
Occasions has been asked whether Kirana Hills were hit or not. That's where their nuclear facilities are there. And with Bharti had rightly clarified that we did not target Kirana Hills. I can maybe given kind of an explanation. Before those strikes, we had sent in a lot of loiter ammunitions at Sargodha. And Kirana Hills is about 10 kilometers north of Sargodha. So the loiter ammunition is looking for radars which are in and around Sargodha. And it's got a lifetime, means time. It will loiter for about 2 hours, and once it doesn't find a target, then it comes down and hits somewhere. It must have come and hit, one of those hills. So that could be one of the reasons as to what people asked. Yes, because Pakistani media also showed some kind of images in which there was smoke coming out from Kirana Hills, and they were asked.
अनिल चौहान के इस बयान पर डिफेंस एक्सपर्ट्स की प्रतिक्रियाएं आ रही हैं। सुनिए वो क्या कुछ कह रहे हैं।
So yes, Kirana Hills was hit. Now whether the intent was there or not, the CDS has very clearly stated that the intent was not to hit it. It was a loitering munition, and that munition would have actually homed onto the target, which was an air vent and which went deep inside and created a lot of damage. And it was that damage which caused great concern. I think Pakistan was really in a panic, and the United States went into a panic mode.
Our military saying is that there was a loitering drone which went to Sargodha, but it could not locate any target, and it had limited energy, so it started wandering, and it wandered towards the Kirana Hills. And Pakistan might have concluded that India was planning to attack the Kirana Hills, where they keep their nuclear weapons entirely or part thereof.
Well, I believe Pakistan wanted to stabilize the relation with India. They have been sending messages across through back channels. And before that, because during the Sindoor operation, we all understood that India, while they wanted to maintain a deterrence against Pakistan, but they were also ready for any kind of eventuality. So having said that, I would say that India is determined that there is no questions about Pakistan using its territory for any terrorist group to act against India. And if Pakistan wanted to normalize the relation with India, I think they should take a first steps of a confidence building measure.
हालांकि कांग्रेस इसे लेकर भी केंद्र सरकार पर हमलावर हो गई है। कांग्रेस कह रही है कि इस वक्त सरकार पैलेट गन वाले मुद्दे छिपाने के लिए नए और पुराने मुद्दे निकाल रही है।
पिछले 10-15 दिन से बहुत सारे मुद्दे लाए गए। क्यों? क्योंकि एक मुद्दे को ढकना है, छिपाना है, उससे ध्यान हटाना है। क्या है वो मुद्दा? आप समझ ही गए होंगे। पैलेट गन का आदेश किसने दिया?
विवेकानंद इंटरनेशनल फाउंडेशन के आयोजित एक कार्यक्रम में पूर्व सीडीएस जनरल ने इस बात का खुलासा किया। अनिल चौहान का यह बयान अब चर्चा में है।